I am Sayukta Shah on behalf of Arham College and Mahavir Junior College, going to tell you some things about the reduced syllabus which has been done for Standard 11 standard for the subject secretarial practice, and I shall be giving a brief about what all has been reduced. About 30 to 40% of the syllabus from the textbook has been reduced. I shall be showing each of them with a proper mark. So we shall be seeing what all has been omitted. So firstly, from secretarial practice in the chapter 1, we shall be coming on page number 4. In this, importance of secretary, point 1.4, importance of secretary has been removed. From page 4, as you can see, I have given a cross till page 5, till the 1.5 concept. 1.5 till 1.5, entire 1.4 has been cancelled. Then after that, uh, in the first chapter we don't have more cancellations. Then chapter 2, chapter 2, joint stock company. In that they have cancelled 2.1, evolution of business organization. Right from page number 16 till page number 19, entire thing has been cancelled. We don't have the evolution of business organization 2.1. In that, a sole trading concern has been cancelled. Joint Hindu family business has been cancelled. Partnership firm has been cancelled. Features has been cancelled. Then limited liability partnership has been cancelled. Then cooperative society with features till joint stock company, everything has been cancelled. This is cancelled only for the year 2021, and this has to be taken in care that you go through all these concepts. Only it is that you shall not be given questions from these topics, but you should be knowing all these concepts. These concepts are important for you in the next year or in the forward years when you should be studying more in detail about commerce. Then after this, page number 35, third chapter, page number 35. In that, the role of promoters has been given for self study. Entire role of promoters. Steps in promotion. From steps in promotion, again we have everything. So only the role of promoters part has been cancelled. After that, in the next chapter, that is next chapter, we have page number 55. In 55 we have this concept has been cancelled: entrenchment of articles or entrenched articles, alteration of articles of association. Then doctrine of indoor management, this has been cancelled. This half page has been cancelled. Then after that, page number 57, right from page number 57, contents of prospectus has been cancelled. Then statement of an expert, statutory requirements in relation to prospectus has been cancelled. Penalty for non-compliance, till penalty for non-compliance has been removed from the syllabus. It is only for the year 2021. After that, we have from the next chapter, page number 68. The next chapter is members of company. In that, page number 68, here we have the concept saying members versus shareholders. This entire thing has been given for self study. You have to go through these concepts and know what are these concepts. You won't be asked questions over it. From this, only that much part has been cancelled. Then next, after 68, we have page number, next chapter directly, page number 83. Sixth chapter, directors chapter. We in that we have given some cancellations. So here 6.1.7 and 6.1.8, powers of the directors, duties of the director. This has been cancelled. Then directors duties can be under two heads. This concept has been cancelled, and the liabilities of directors till 6.1.9. These both concepts have been cancelled. After that, here only we have removal of a director, 6.1.12. So these two concepts have been removed from the syllabus. After that, duties of a company secretary. In that, statutory duties, general duties have been cancelled. Then liabilities of a company secretary, rights of company secretary, role of company secretary, secretary as a statutory officer, then secretary as a coordinator, secretary as an administrative officer, secretary as in employment and in practice, secretarial standards, meaning they need an importance of adoption of secretarial standards, secretarial audit, importance and applicability of secretarial audit. These all concepts have been cancelled. Directly we shall be starting from 6.2.5, the chief financial officer, CFO. Then after that, in the next chapter, the next chapter is company meetings, in which page number 108, kinds of motion. In that we have formal and substantive motion. So this has been cancelled. Entire this thing has been cancelled. Amendments also have been cancelled. Point of order has been also cancelled. Directly we will be starting with voting. Then after this we shall be having cancellations from the next chapter. Company meetings 2. In that, page number 126 is 8.2, functions of secretary related with annual general meeting. This entire page has been cancelled. Then the next half, functions after the annual general meeting. This has been cancelled. Then after that, from the next chapter, business communication skills of secretary. In that, page number 136. So in that, this modes of electronic communication, this concept, this web, then these all details which are mentioned. Then essential skills for effective communication. This page, till page 138, half page has been cancelled. These are the few concepts which have been removed for the session 2020-2021. Due to the pandemic, these all concepts have been removed from the textbooks, but whatever else is left shall be uploaded, and all the videos shall be available to you with the Arham College. Okay, so thank you.